How to fix Instagram highlights being deleted. So go ahead and open your settings application. In this page, scroll down and go to General. Click on iPhone storage and then find Instagram here. Once you find Instagram, click on that and now offload the application just to remove the current data that it holds. Don't worry, this will not remove your Instagram account from your application. Now, after offloading, reinstall it. And if your Instagram highlights are still being deleted, you can try checking on your story settings. So go open your Instagram application, click on the profile icon here below, tap on the three lines on the right corner, tap on settings, and try using the search icon. Make sure that the save story to archive is toggled on. After this, try to make your highlight again and this should work. So that is how to fix Instagram highlights being deleted. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.